Hello friends, Marcy here. This box is much too large for the screen, so I'm going to get into it and show you the goodies inside. Hint, hint, Aura Estelle. Be right back. Okay, I had to adjust my camera up a little bit because even though the box was large, the package, the item is still large, and I need to get it all in the screen. So, Aura Estelle, a few weeks ago, had a bundle sale on the weekend, and I placed the order for the bundle, which was a cloud tote, and it has the same gorgeous satiny dust bag, the beautiful ribbon. But the bundle included more goodies, and I chose a different color. So my first cloud tote that I shared with you was purchased to match my A5 wide rings, and it was the rose quartz. And this gorgeous one is black. I will double check the name, but I think it's called Black Cashmere. So Aura Estelle is stamped in here, and then it has the metal feet on the bottom to protect it. And I'm still too close with my camera angle. Let me come up a little bit. There we go. So goodies, goodies, goodies. Anyway, the bundle sale came on, and it's like I wasn't planning on buying a new tote at the time, but with the sale, I just, caved. There's more goodies in here. The bundle included the clutch, the Twilly Scarf, the card holder, and the tote. So let me move the inside protective packaging that keeps it from collapsing. And being a dark bag, it's kind of hard to see inside, but it is the same as my other cloud tote when I shared the inside. I'm going to pull out the included insert that comes with, and it's so soft. I love the feel of it's a vegan leather. I love the feel of it. And let me share the pull-out insert. Has inside a wide pocket that does hold my iPad. It's the iPad Pro. So this is the 11-inch iPad Pro, and it fits securely right in this side pocket. There you go. And then you have the elastic band that holds a water bottle or stainless steel cup. This side is a pocket for sunglasses, and it does pouch out or pooch out. I don't know if you can see. I need some light here to give your glasses some room without being crushed. So the insert slides nicely into the tote. You can use the tote without the insert. Let me show you the inside of that. If you choose not to carry the insert in it for any reason that you need more room, you still have the attached lobster clip claw attached lanyard, and then a zip pouch on the inside with a slip pocket pouch here to hold things like your cell phone or whatever. So you still have some pockets and storage in this nicely shaped tote. If you choose to use the insert, you can put this pocket flap, it lifts up over, and it's just, there you go. You've just amazed yourself with more storage options. It has the beautiful cloud scallop design on there. And let me show you the included parts that I got in the bundle sale. Again, another beautiful dust bag to protect. So inside you have a clutch to match. Again, the vegan leather, it feels so nice. And this has the silver hardware inside. Let's remove the protective packaging to keep it from getting squished and smushed. You have a pen loop and some card slots here on the back, 4 card slots on the back, and then just room to put whatever you choose to carry. And then you have, it did come with a lobster claw clutch strap that you could attach on either end and carry as a clutch, or you can order the chain and attach it on both D-rings, so you have like a crossbody carry. So it does not come with the chain, it's a separate purchase, but it does come with the leather strap. So this is gorgeous. Let's take that inside the tote. And the card holder was part of the bundle deal, and I've wanted the card holder for some time but wasn't exactly sure what the capacity of it was. Again, it has a D-ring if you would like to attach a strap. It does not come with a strap or chain, but you can surely have the option of doing that. And the card holder interior, this is so soft. It's just feels so good in the hand. So we have Aura Estelle stamped on the inside, and then you have, there are no pouches inside the area, but there's 2 card slot pouches here, and this is such a pliable leather. You could easily get your cards in and out. Don't have one here to demonstrate. No. Oh, let me try. Inside my drawer, I can demonstrate with this. So, all right. Easily in and out. Yes, there we go. Okay. And then the last part of the bundle is the Twilly Scarf. And with my rose quartz, I did order the pink floral Twilly Scarf. This one I got, I believe it's called Cream Lace, to tie on the outside for decoration. I'm not going to be carrying the black tote just yet. For springtime, I'm using the pink one, and then I will move into this one. But this gorgeous lace scarf, it's called the Twilly Scarf on the website. And there are, Aura Estelle has a video of various ways you can tie the scarf for decoration on your bag, but I'm just quickly, with no precision, showing you a little bow to put on here. So fun, fun, fun. And then throw that over your shoulder, and look at you. Woo, so pretty. All right. I have been anxious to open this. I received it on Monday. Today's Friday, and I've just been so busy all week. I have not been able to share with you on the unboxing. I wanted to do it with you so that you could see my enjoyment and excitement. But thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me today. I really appreciate y'all, and you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.